Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shelly over at Crafty Cottage Dreams. How are we doing today? Good, I hope. Blueberry and lemonade are in the background. Hopefully they will be good boys. Yes. Those are my birds, in case anybody does not know. They're very talkative at this time of day. They're being quiet right now, so hopefully they'll be good boys. Yes. So anyway, it's been a 3-day rainy day here in upstate New York, and which I'm grateful for, because honestly, we need the rain. My grass was looking pretty yellow. So anyway, I'm here to present or share a paper bag ephemera pack that I whipped up last night per request as I was finishing up my next design team project for Raindrop Lila. And here I've also used scraps that I had left over for Raindrop Lila. I used actually the Blessings digital kit, and I used up the tags that I had left over and her standard background digitals and the Blessings. So it's a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Lydia. I can't say it enough. Beautiful, gorgeous digital kit, and I'm having so much fun creating with those digitals. So anyway, I have a paper bag ephemera pack here. So I'm going to really try to get through this really quickly. I created a ton of ephemera, and obviously, look at that image. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is made out of a paper bag, and I love this. I have some sari silk here with a ball pin and this beautiful bling courtesy of Tim Holtz. Thank you, Tim. And I stamped vintage on here and added that as well. So we're going to go through this really quickly. And I made these using the handmade paper, and I embossed on there. Seeing Lydia's background. Actually, these were her tags. I just cut the top off and used it as a backdrop here. I added some lace here on the top, and I distressed it in some shabby shutters. I love Tim Holtz inks. I have tons of his inks. I added some washi tape here, and I used my vintage ledger here. Sampool stamps, of course. You can certainly journal there. And then I added I forget what that's called actually, but I added that. And then I had these images, and yes, we hear you, which I forget where I got these from. They were off from Etsy, and I thought it was so adorable. It came in this little box full of images, and I just think they're so cute. So I added those images. On this ephemera. I forget. If I can remember, guys, I will certainly list it in the description box. But it's so cute. Here's another one. And these were all on handmade paper. which I embossed. And I'm adoring this washi tape. Like, I can't get enough of it. I've been using a lot of that in my journals lately. Certainly journal here, sample stamp. And then here I kept these small little tags, and I added a brad sample stamp, these homemade flowers that I created with beads in the center. Washi tape. I love that image. Isn't that so cute? Whoops. Here's another one. I forget what they call this. Tatting. Yes. I added some tatting here. Couldn't remember. I love that image. Is she not so adorable? And that was the front pocket. Look at that image. Lydia, you did a beautiful job with that. That is so gorgeous. And now we're going to go to the top here. There's another. I love using my vintage ledger paper. It's so, I just love it. It gives it that vintage vibe. Here's another tag. I love it. So cute. That tatting. Those images. I can't remember, but I just adore this little package filled with these images. If I can remember, I will post it in the description box below. And here is the paper bag. And it's filled with ephemera. So I'm gonna put these back in. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on really quickly and share this. And I will put this back all together beautifully. And yeah, guys, it's a really quick video. Thank you for joining me today. And yes, I'm so excited for my next video, only because of the fact that it is for my next design team project. They're beautiful journals. They're tall, squishy fabric journals using the Blessings digital cat over at Raindrop Layla. And I'm super excited to share them with you on my next video. I will be posting pictures today. I just love them. I can't wait. So anyway, I'm super excited about that. And yeah, so this was per request. You have some beautiful ephemera here. And yeah, anyway, guys, I just popped on really quickly to show that. And I'll see you tomorrow for my next design team project. We'll see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.